A very good morning to all of you, and once again, welcome back to our channel Study Adda. So, today I have brought another top 18 important current affairs questions for you. So, let's begin with the very first question of the day. Name the India's first oral vaccine which has been approved for moderate COVID-19 cases. So, this was in news recently in this last 24 hours. So, the drug vaccine name is Fabiflu. Option C, Fabiflu. Do you know Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has assured the availability of the drugs in the next 7 to 10 days across the country? Also, Japan and Russia have already approved this drug, Fabiflu, for COVID-19 treatment on 15th March and 1st June 2020 respectively. And you should also know that this drug was first approved in Japan. Next, who has approved USD 1.05 billion for helping the economy of Bangladesh to bounce back by creating more and better jobs? So the right answer for this is option D, World Bank. Option D, World Bank. At the Janta Software Park, Dhaka's first digital entrepreneurship hub will be established under this project. Next, which state witnessed Ring of Fire solar eclipse? So as I have already mentioned in my last videos that solar eclipse was to be held on 21st June, and this will be mostly be seen in the states like Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan. So this Ring of Fire solar eclipse was witnessed in Uttarakhand. Option A, Uttarakhand. Next, Narayanasamy Balkrishnan was the president of which automobile firm who passed away recently due to COVID-19? So he belonged to the TVS Group. He was the president of the TVS Group firm. Next, Facebook has acquired which Swedish mapping technology company? So the right answer for this is option A, Mapillary. Option A, Mapillary. Next, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has constituted a project development cell to attract investment in the clean energy sector under whose chairmanship? So the right answer for this is option A, Amitesh Kumar Sinha. Option A, Amitesh Kumar Sinha. Next, the annual Travar Yatra was suspended by which state government due to COVID-19? So the right answer for this is option D, all of these. During the meeting of these three states, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, these governments has decided to suspend this year annual Travar Yatra, which was scheduled to begin on July 6th in the month of Sawan. A large number of Shiva devotees visit Shiva temples in Haridwar, Gaumukh and Garmukteshwar to take a holy dip in Ganges. And last year, over 4 crore devotees visited Haridwar alone during the auspicious month of Shravan. Next, which state government has banned online classes recently? So this has been banned by Madhya Pradesh government. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed as the new chairman of BMW India? So the right answer is option A, Vikram Pava. Option A, Vikram Pava. Next, where is the mobile app named TS Weather launched? Mobile app named TS Weather launched. So it has been launched in Telangana. Option B, Telangana. Next, which state government has launched a scheme to provide rice to migrant workers? So the right answer for this is option B, Mizoram has launched a very good scheme to provide rice to migrant workers. Option B, Mizoram. Next, who has written a book called Clara and the Sun? So this book has been written by Kazuo Ishiguro. Option B, Kazuo Ishiguro. Next, recently Atma machine has been installed at which railway station? So this has been installed at Nagpur railway station. Option B, Nagpur railway station. Atma machine. Next, which state government has launched a portal called Mahaswayam? Portal called Mahaswayam. So this has been launched in Maharashtra. Option C, Maharashtra. Next, recently Trubaret Boronov became the new Prime Minister of which country? So he has become the Prime Minister of Kyrgyzstan. Option C, Kyrgyzstan. Next, according to a recent UNCTAD report, which country has the highest FDI? So the highest FDI has been observed in America. Option B, USA. Next, who has recently won the prestigious Peace Prize of the German Boot Trade? So this has been won by Nobel Prize winner. Option B, Amartya Sen. Option B, Amartya Sen. And the last question of the day, which state government to give rupees 5 crore to the Martyr family of Colonel Santosh Babu and also a government job for his wife? So this 5 crore amount to the Martyr family of Colonel Santosh Babu and a government job for his wife has been offered by Telangana government. Option A, Telangana. It's a great move by Telangana government. And the government has also announced to give a residential plot for the martyred family of Santosh Babu and also rupees 10 lakh each to the other martyred families who were martyred during the Galwan Valley face-off with China. So that's all from today. Thank you so much.